Time to go in with a protein. It's fine, I just applied sunscreen and hi guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. If my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do not make it till last. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay, so you guys, today is the day 2 since I came back. I haven't vlogged. Like, if you look at my face very well, you see that I've not been feeling too strong, although I've just waken up. I've not vlogged. Okay, although I've posted the video which I filmed in the east, I posted it. Okay, I want to go and cook. Today is Sunday. Like, I didn't go to the church. I'll be making stew and I'll be making meat sauce again. And I'd like to have you guys along, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video, okay? And let's be one family. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video, okay? Go to come and say hi. Boo boo, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. And so guys, let's go and cook, and I would like to carry you guys along. So let's mix to here is my pot. My groundnut oil. So guys, first thing I want to go in with my bay leaf. I want to add some salt inside the oil. This quantity is enough. I want to go in with thyme. With the penny. I've used it before, but this is the remaining one. I want to go in with some spicy. Here the onion. I want to go in with some this beef seasoning, lasso beef seasoning. I'm making use of the two, so let's cut. Let's stir this up together. And here is my tomato. Here is the pepper mix. So you guys, here is the protein I'm going to use, and I also made this sauce earlier. This is liver. I made sauce with it that we're going to use for this same rice and stew. want to lick banana. Sitting. Hmm?
Don't forget walnuts.
What did you say?
Don't forget walnuts.
Can you also get granite? Why not?
Okay.
Open your mouth. That's a really banana.
No, can you look?
Come on. Come on, take orange. Can you peel it? Can I peel it for you? Can you peel it?
Please.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
You guys, this is Chibese's cake. This is one I kept for me because I was in the village when he did his birthday. He didn't actually celebrate his birthday, but he was in the village when he celebrated it. So his daddy and his siblings took his picture and sent to me, which I posted on my WhatsApp status. And yeah, is the cake. So you guys, this is the closer look of my stew. I have to add this liver inside that's inside my freezer. And here is my stew. Time to go in with a protein, and then I'm getting more water to add water to it. So here is my water. Sometimes I don't like it when stew is too thick, so I'm going in with more water, and then more water. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'll just allow to boil and then our stew will be ready. Okay, yeah, that is all for our stew. Like you guys, I don't even know when I added the vegetable. I forgot to film when I was adding of the vegetable. I just put a small pumpkin leaf in it, popularly known as ugu. That is what I added to it, just this little that I plucked from my farm here in my compound. So here is my rice. This is my meat sauce. Okay. Like I've licked a lot of banana and I'm not so hungry right now. I'll just be consuming this quantity. So guys, let's go and eat. Yeah. So you guys, here is my food. It's good to know how to cook. Oh. It's good to be a good cook. I think that is the right word for it. So guys, if you watched up to this stage, please don't forget to like, comment, share. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Do not forget to like, okay, comment, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'd like to, settle down and eat my food. On it now, let me see. It's not on it. My face is looking some kind of it's fine. I just applied sunscreen and it haven't absorbed on my face. Okay guys, so we are heading out right now. I am my kids. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Go to say hi. Chibaise.
Ma.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Baby, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
And so we are going out. I am going to the shop. The baby is going to her she's going to class party, okay, and I'm taking Kosi and Chibeze to go and take injection. Of course, I and Kans, we are not sick, we are normal. Yeah, so guys, and I want to end this vlog here, okay? If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video, and I'll see you guys till my next one. Bye.